On these days, when there is plenty of time to do all the work that was left pending around the house, I found that aluminum frames of doors and windows of the bathroom, originally white, were blackened by mold. I was fighting against it by using disinfectants and cleaning agents at hand, without much success. All I got was that the baked paint on the frame began to come off the aluminum. I stopped doing that and started trying to find a better solution. I found some white vinyl paint around the house, the kind used to paint plaster-coated walls. And without much hope, I started applying it to the terribly looking aluminum frame. I did that as an experiment, fearing the paint would soon blister and come off as well. To my astonishment, a month later, the doors and windows still look impeccably white, despite being continuously exposed to moisture. As I said before, it was an experiment, but apparently the results are long-lasting. I hope this video can be of help to someone in the same situation. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Chava Tarin.